Hi there, this is Dr. Emily, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use our most recent companion, Sage, the research companion. To begin, you're going to start by going to the left hand of your screen and clicking open the companion bar. If you haven't already, opt into the beta account by clicking this button at the bottom and pressing submit. Once that's completed, you'll start your new chat on the bottom here. In order to engage with Sage, all you have to do is tag him by writing @Sage, and then you can ask him any veterinary medical question you might have. Today we're going to start off with a GP question about diabetic remission in cats. Once you're done with the question, press enter and let Sage think of the answer and create you a perfect summary. Just note that research time may vary depending on how broad or complex your research question is. Now we can see that Sage has provided us with a summary of everything I've asked him. So at the very beginning, he gives us a concise summary of what I need to know about diabetic remission, including normal blood glucose levels that remain clinical for a period of 4 weeks. So right off the bat, I know exactly what I need to know with my question. He also provides citation at the end of each one of his sources, meaning that if I have more questions or I want to dig a little bit deeper into the research, I can scroll down to the bottom and access any of the information. The best part about Sage is that if you have any follow-up questions, you can continue asking questions in the chat box below. You can use him like your personal mentor because he will not get annoyed with you if you have lots of questions. Here's an example of a question I recently asked one of my mentors. Quickly and concisely, Sage provides me with consensus statements from the most recent research about the questions I've asked. If you'd like to start a new chat or open a pre-existing conversation, click the chat history button up at the top here, and that will bring you back to your previous sessions or allow you to start a new chat. And if you have more questions about any of our other companions, feel free to hover over the question mark and it'll tell you more about our other companions such as Summy, Quill, and more about Sage. To close down the companion bar, simply click or drag it into the left for it to disappear, and you can start back to record any of your future appointments. Hope that helps.